Welcome to Thinna's channel. In this video, we're diving into the latest modern wood floor pattern ideas that will inspire and elevate your home's interior design. If you're looking to bring a warm, sophisticated touch to your living space, modern wood floor patterns offer the perfect solution. From classic herringbone to bold geometric designs, wood floors can transform any room into a stylish haven. The timeless charm of natural wood adds warmth, while the versatility of modern patterns offers endless possibilities for customization. Whether you're into sleek minimalist looks or more intricate and artistic styles, there's a wood floor pattern to suit your taste. We'll explore various layouts, from the traditional chevron to basket weave, each bringing its own unique character and aesthetic. You'll see how subtle differences in direction, plank width, and color can dramatically change the feel of a room. The use of contrasting tones or mixed materials can create visual interest, making your floors a standout feature of your home. Modern wood floor patterns also work beautifully in all types of spaces, from open-plan living areas to cozy bedrooms and stylish hallways. With sustainable materials and high-quality finishes, wood floors offer durability and elegance that will stand the test of time. So, get ready to be inspired by some of the most creative and modern wood floor patterns available. Stay tuned for ideas that will help you make the perfect design statement in your home.